Hey guys, this is a design wall mirror that I made for someone, and the person specifically requested that it be made with smaller mirrors and spoons. I really love the way this turned out, and I'd like to share with you guys just how I made it. Now here are the items that I used for this project. I will be leaving a full detailed list of all the items that I used for this project down in the description box below. I started with a 3-inch board and 18 lines inside of it, and then I made another inner circle as my guide when I will be gluing down the skewers. When I had all the 18 skewers on the 18 lines glued down, I then took more skewers and I glued them in between each and every one of the openings. After that, I glued on mirrors at the top, bottom, left, and right, and I drew out this shape and I cut it out. And this is going to be my guide to form a curve when I will be gluing down the mirrors. I used this technique for the first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. I will be filling out the outer curve with the silver plastic spoons. When I was done to this point, I flipped the design over, and then I will be using more skewers in between each and every one of the openings and gluing them on the mirrors because I didn't want to let the skewers go right from the middle. That's just me, but if you like, you can actually make your skewers go right from the middle. I wanted the middle to be a little bit empty or open and then fuller at the outer corners. When I was done using the hot glue gun, I used an E6000 glue all around just to make sure that it comes out strong. I turned the design over again, and then I'm going to be filling up the skewers with more spoons. When I was done up to this point, you can see that it doesn't flush, so I needed to add more spoons just to make sure that it flushes along with the other outer mirrors. And I did this by gluing down the spoons halfway onto the other ones, just so that it actually makes a round shape. And then also to create a certain bend or a curve at the outer corners. You can see the curve, and that adds to the design. And now I repeated the same step and filled out the outer curves for the remaining spaces. Because of the nature of the design, I turned it to the back and I added more glue just to secure it enough. And then I used one of the hooks from one of my Dollar Tree mirrors to hang it on the wall. I also glued on the gems at the outer corners of the mirror in the middle. I love the look of this mirror because it looks simple and yet so elegant. The request came in insisting on smaller mirrors and spoons, but on a uniquely different design. I'd like to know what you guys think about this outcome down in the comments section below, and remember to like and share. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.